Look closely at this chart, because this is where most traders get trapped. First, price sweeps liquidity. Then it tempts buyers in with inducement. Structure looks bullish, confidence is high, but smart money is already positioning. Notice the unmitigated point of interest above. Price taps it perfectly, delivers the move everyone wants, and then instantly reverses into a clean sell-off, straight into the order block. This is not random price action. This is engineered liquidity delivery. If you want to understand why price moves like this and how to trade it step by step, follow Discount Trader for more breakdowns. In this chart, the break of structure is the first clear signal that market control has shifted. Initially, price is respecting a bullish structure, creating higher highs and higher lows. Buyers appear confident, especially after the liquidity sweep and the move into the unmitigated point of interest. This bullish move convinces retail traders that price will continue higher. However, once price reaches the unmitigated point of interest, the narrative changes. Smart money uses this area to distribute positions. When price starts moving down, it does not simply pull back. It breaks below the previous higher low, which is critical. That moment is the break of structure. It tells us that buyers have lost control and sellers are now in charge. This break confirms that the prior bullish structure is no longer valid. From this point onward, price is expected to respect lower highs and target sell-side liquidity. That is why price continues with strong bearish displacement and delivers directly into the order block below. The break of structure is not an entry signal by itself, but it is the confirmation that direction has changed. The liquidity sweep is the first engineered move that sets everything else in motion. Price initially trades in a clear range where multiple equal highs are formed. These highs represent buy-side liquidity because many traders place their stop losses above these levels. Smart money is fully aware of this. Price then pushes above those highs, creating what looks like a bullish breakout. Retail traders enter late, expecting continuation to the upside. However, this move is not meant to continue. Its real purpose is to collect liquidity. Once those stop losses are triggered, large institutions receive the liquidity they need to enter sell positions at premium prices. Immediately after the sweep, price fails to hold above the highs and starts to reverse. This rejection confirms that the move above the highs was not genuine demand, but a liquidity grab. From that point, price becomes vulnerable to a structural shift and a deeper bearish move. The unmitigated point of interest is the most important area to focus on because it represents unfinished business in the market. This zone is created earlier when price leaves the area with strong displacement, showing institutional involvement. Price moves away aggressively, but it never returns to rebalance or mitigate that zone. That is why it remains unmitigated. As price trades lower and then starts moving back up, this unmitigated point of interest acts like a magnet. Smart money already has pending interest there, waiting for price to return. When price finally reaches the unmitigated point of interest, it reacts immediately. You can see hesitation, rejection, and loss of bullish momentum. This confirms that the zone is being used for distribution, not continuation. Once the unmitigated point of interest is respected, price reverses with strong bearish intent and targets lower liquidity and the order block below. The change of character is the earliest warning that market behavior is shifting. Before the change of character occurs, price is moving with bullish intent. Pullbacks are shallow, momentum is strong, and buyers are clearly in control. This bullish behavior continues as price moves toward the unmitigated point of interest. However, once price reacts from the unmitigated point of interest, something changes. Instead of continuing higher, price produces a strong bearish move that breaks the most recent internal higher low. This is the change of character. The importance of this moment is not the level that breaks, but the shift in momentum and behavior. Buyers are no longer able to defend previous lows, and sellers begin to show strength for the first time. This change of character does not confirm a full trend reversal by itself, but it alerts us that the bullish narrative is weakening. It prepares us to expect a break of structure and a deeper bearish move. The order block represents the zone where smart money executed large positions before the major move occurred. This order block is formed just before the strong bearish displacement. You can see price consolidating briefly and then leaving the area with clear momentum. That impulsive move confirms institutional involvement because retail traders cannot create that type of displacement. After the liquidity sweep and the reaction from the unmitigated point of interest, price breaks structure and shifts market control to sellers. Once that happens, price retraces back into this order block. When price returns to the order block, it respects the zone precisely. Selling pressure enters immediately, and price continues lower without hesitation. This confirms that the order block is being used as a point of re-entry for institutions. An order block is not just a random candle. It is a footprint of smart money, showing where positions were accumulated or distributed before the real move began. The major inducement is the move that deliberately invites traders to take the wrong side of the market. After the initial liquidity sweep, price starts moving upward with strong momentum. This bullish push creates confidence and forms a clear higher low, making the market appear healthy and ready for continuation. Many traders enter long positions here, believing the trend is still intact. This bullish move is not genuine continuation. Its real purpose is inducement. Smart money pushes price higher to encourage breakout buyers and pullback traders to commit their capital. This creates a large pool of liquidity resting below the inducement low. Once enough traders are positioned on the buy side, price reverses sharply from the unmitigated point of interest. The inducement low is then taken out with strong displacement, triggering stop losses and forcing traders out of their positions.
Sell trade execution is built step by step. Price first sweeps buy-side liquidity by taking out the equal highs. This move traps late buyers and delivers liquidity to institutions. Price then reaches the unmitigated point of interest, a premium zone where selling pressure is expected. We do not sell immediately. We wait for confirmation. That confirmation comes with a clear change of character where price breaks the recent internal higher low. Soon after, price confirms direction with a break of structure. Once structure flips bearish, price retraces into the bearish order block formed before the impulsive move down. That retracement gives the optimal sell entry. The stop loss is placed above the order block high, and the target is sell-side liquidity below. This execution is not emotional. It is driven by liquidity, structure, and smart money behavior.